How do you have an InSPArational class involving do-it-yourself hand cleaner as well as roller bottles and some other little goodies and some food? Because when you bring the food and DIY, you gotta give it a try. Okay, well I'm gonna give us a little video recap and kind of what happened in the next part. So make sure to watch this video all the way till the end so you can get all the goodies. Okay, well, welcome to the InSPArational, Christmas party. And the purpose of this class slash DIY slash food event is to really just thank you for being a part of our lives and to kind of celebrate the holidays as well with some healthy food and some fun stuff to make around the house so you can improve your lifestyle as well. So I'm going to just announce what the food is, and then Malie's going to go into the DIY stuff. Alright, so we have bowls and silverware here. You can choose if you want like the ceramic bowls or the paper bowls, and then there's the spoons. We have a vegan vegetable chili, and so that is homemade as well. So lots of good ingredients. It's mostly keto. Hey, awesome. Hey, there we go. We do have some, it's yellow in color, but it is millet and lentils, so great source of fiber and protein. And so that is a white rice replacement or brown rice replacement because of the high fiber and high protein. That is not necessarily keto, but it is still healthy. And then we have some toppings for the actual chili combo. So what I like to do is actually just put the millet on the bottom and then the chili on top. And then we have some green onions. And then Lee's made a cabbage salad over here as well, so that's really tasty. And then we have some dessert from Amira. She's got a vegan pumpkin pie that is in the refrigerator, so save room for that. Malie also made some toasted cinnamon sugar almonds with some extra love in there if I'm missing any ingredients. She thinks she's got some other desserts, so she'll announce those if I'm missing anything.
I'll just put them out. And they'll be a surprise.
She'll put them out, yeah, so there's a little
Think
surprise factor.
Maybe chocolate, healthy chocolate.
Yeah. So we really want to show that you can eat healthy, but you can still have a little bit of indulgence as well, right? And because a lot of times people think that eating healthy or even vegan or keto is like grass and cardboard or something, but it's not the case. So, but other than that, Malie's gonna go into the DIY section a little bit, a little overview.
Yeah,
okay,
sure.
Cool.
So we got 3 different DIYs that you can make tonight. So first we have we have a sugar coffee scrub. That's going to be for the bath, to scrub down, to exfoliate. So it's going to be sugar coffee. We're going to put some avocado oil, good healthy oils for the skin. And then you can mix whatever essential oils that you want to in your sugar coffee scrub. And they're going to go in these little containers. And then these little blue spray bottles here, we're going to do hand gel. So put in the purse, spray down, all natural for cleaning your hands. And then the last thing we're going to do is we have some roll-on bottles. So these aren't even opened yet, but you can make your own personalized roll-on of essential oils. So it's going to be the fractionated coconut oil. It's going to go in the roll-on bottle, and then you can pick whatever oils you want to put in your own. It could be for perfume, it could be for it could be for whatever you want it to be, but I have pretty colors. So you can pick your color of roll-on as well. So all the DIYs are just to cover supplies. We're asking $5 for 2 items. So you can do 2 things for $5. Okay? Okay, so we're going to go ahead and eat first. I know everyone's hungry. It's almost 7 o'clock. So start over here and...
So the food is complimentary. Jana said thank you. So yeah, help yourselves. And, here we go.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Look how nice this room looks too. Okay, I'll wave again. Thank you
for inviting us.
Yes.
Can you heat it up a little, like maybe?
It probably gets a little too mushy if you try to heat it up. It's supposed to be eaten really. I'm gonna make one other announcement too. Lance suggested so next Tuesday at 7 p.m. at our house we're having a no regrets donut party. So we're gonna make healthy donuts. Taylor talked to a few people here. He's our ketone guy. So we're going to make donuts that don't raise your blood sugar levels, that are full of healthy fats. And so you're welcome to come and test out our donuts that we're making next Tuesday night. And we'll do some like keto hot chocolate too. So.
Hot chocolate and donuts night.
Hot chocolate donuts on a cold night in December, next Tuesday night.
And you can do them while your kids and feel ethical
And not
about
so bad about
No regrets.
no Krispy Kremes, no. Okay. So again, the gift supplies, just to cover our cost of our the containers and the supplies, it's 2 for $5. So you can make 2 gifts for $5 in cash or Cash App or PayPal, whatever you want to do. So we have sugar coffee scrubs. We have in these containers we're going to do an aloe vera hand gel, and then the coffee scrubs are going to go in here, and then we have roll-on. Essential oil roll-on. So you can make your own essential oil blend, and you can pick what color roll-on bottle. So I'm going to quickly, and if you have questions you can ask again, but so the coffee sugar scrub, we have organic cane sugar and coffee grounds, so you can mix kind of half and half. And then I have avocado oil, which is really good for your skin. You're going to pour this into the mixture of your coffee and sugar scrub and get it nice and oily, and so it's good. And I'll get some spoons to mix it. And then I have the essential oils over here, and I'll pull out a few that are really good to put in coffee scrubs, like ginger and peppermint. Grapefruit is also good, but you're welcome to kind of make your own mixture as well. So then we have the hand which goes in here, and this is going to be like a squirt, kind of about a tablespoon of the aloe vera gel, and the rest is going to be, you're going to fill it up with water, and then you're going to put about 20 drops of an essential oil that is more antibacterial. And we suggest the On Guard, which I thought I had it. Okay, this blend. So you're going to put about 20 drops of this oil blend with a tablespoon or about a squirt of the gel, aloe vera gel, and then I have the purified water at the sink. So that's going to be your, and then these, I'll get scissors. You're going to need to cut these a little bit so they fit in the bottle and screw on. So that's going to be for your purse. And then the oil blends. Here you're going to put, again, about 20 drops of whatever oil, whether it's one oil or whether it is a combination of oils, about 20 drops of oil. And the rest you're going to fill up with the fractionated coconut oil. And the fractionated coconut oil means that this coconut oil will not get solid like all our coconut oil does right now when it's winter. This stays liquid at all times. And it absorbs much better into your skin because it's more light than regular solid coconut oil is. So we'll do that. So you're welcome to sit here, you have room, and then or take your supplies or get what you need and come over here, get your oil. We'll clear a few spaces over here. I'll clear out the dishes and get started. So just come over. I'll kind of be over here if you want to pay for whatever you want.
Wait, so what is the colored ones?
These are colored roll-on bottles, so you can just pick a color that you want, and then you're going to decide what oil you want. A blue one?
Stop! No, Max.
Yeah. Ask your mom what you can do, okay?
Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.